Here at the Agua Azul Falls, and these falls are absolutely gorgeous. Look at how blue that water is. Look at that. Oh my God. Here I am near the top of Agua Azul Falls. I'm near the top, so I'm kind of wading around and swimming up here at the top of the falls. And if I'm not careful, the currents catch me, a strong one catches me, I could be carried all the way down the falls. And the main falls is up to 250 meters high. So I'm just going to play around here a little bit, and I'll check in later to let you all know I didn't get caught in a strong current. So here I am, a little closer and a little deeper, but I'm staying close to shore, and I don't want to risk anything. But this is a lot of fun. Look at how gorgeous that is. Ah.